Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you stopping by, checking out this video. I miss you guys. I hope you guys miss me. It's been a while. It really has. Life, I mean, it's been crazy. Everybody knows it's been crazy. So I've been working a lot. I haven't had time to actually get out here and work on a car at all. The last video that I uploaded, me working exhaust, that was done a couple months ago. I finally made time to edit that one. I had a little bit of time today, or tonight I should say, to come out here and work on the car. I'm usually working around this time on the weekends, so I've been working a lot, guys, and I haven't been able to just, you know, when I'm not working, I'm trying to get rest, to be honest with you, and I haven't had time to get here and work on the car. So a lot's been going on the past year, a little over a year now. Got a little bit of free time. I was like, you know, why not get something done on the car? I knew I had some free time coming this weekend. I ordered some parts, so that was awesome. I got one of them in this week. I got some more coming. Some that didn't really need, but I'm gonna go ahead and get them installed on the car. It's gonna have to do it later on down the road anyway. So I'll go ahead and get them installed on the car. Nothing major, but the part I want to get installed tonight is the EGR delete. It's actually handmade from a fellow YouTuber. His name is FoxBody. Make sure you go by and check out his channel, guys. Click that subscribe button and that notification bell. Make sure you do that. He makes these things by hand, guys. I know who makes them. Small company, a great guy, and I actually want to support him. And I would much rather buy his product because I know who made it. And I don't really like the ones that I see from the other companies. So I saw him a few weeks back at a little swap meet at Fox Resto. And I talked with him and Gearhead, hung out with them guys, didn't shoot no video, just wanted to go down there and hang out. I mean, to be honest with you, I haven't done anything in months, and I finally had a little bit of free time one day. So I went down there and hung out. Gearhead hit me up and asked me was I coming, and I was like, you know what, I'm free, why not? So I went down there and hung out with them guys, and I talked to him and looked at this right here, and I ordered one this week, and he sent it out that evening when he got home from work, and I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys go by and check out his channel and pick you up one of these. We'll take a look at it here in a minute. Don't forget, Foxtoberfest is coming up. I'm ready for that. Super excited for that. Probably sitting here getting eaten up by mosquitoes. This weather's nice, so that's one reason why I want to get out here tonight. Usually it's super hot in this shop, man. It's just not tolerable. And like I said, I haven't had time. But that's neither here nor there. It's time to actually get some work done on the car, period. I need to start making some time. And I got some time coming up. Things are starting to slow down just a little bit on the second job. And I'm able to get out here now, hopefully in the afternoons, and work on the car and shoot some more videos for you guys. So yeah, tonight I want to get this thing right here installed on the car. Need to go by and pick up one of these guys. I mean, look at the packaging on this thing, man. That's awesome. The ones that you typically see just plug right into the pigtail. This one right here wires in. He provides everything you need from the butt connectors down to the instructions. And like I said, guys, he makes these things by hand. The correct colors on the wires. You got your brown, black, and orange right there. And I think he puts little diodes and things like that in there, resistors or something like that. I'm not tech savvy, so, you know. But make sure you go by, check out his website. Right there it is, guys. Hit him up, get you one of these things. Put these stickers on your car when it comes in the mail, because of course we all know you will get super duper horsepower from these things. So we got those in this week. I want to get that installed. Got a little bit of shrink wrap right here. We'll put on the wires too. Hopefully now I got this thing prepped where I don't melt anything or burn anything or catch it on fire. But we'll go over here and snip these wires and just, you know, color to color. Simple as that. He makes the kits really simple. And like I said, everything's provided in the kit, guys. Go by and pick you up one of those if you want to do a delete on your car. I highly recommend it. Great quality there. You can see it when you get it. I'm trying to think. I got a coil ordered. That's coming. I got something else ordered. That's coming. I've been wanting to get some of these for a while. I seen Funky 50 put some of these on his car, and I was like, you know what? That's a good idea. Let's just go ahead and do it. I actually had an electric fan on the car before I put the clutch fan back on it some years ago. This is the one that I had. This is the, that's the Proform, I believe. That's the cheaper one. Not the, I can't remember the other one. Anyway, I put the clutch fan on it some years back with the heavy duty clutch on it, brand new fan, all that stuff. But we're going to end up getting rid of that stuff, guys. Of course, we went turbo, so might as well go ahead and do it now. And Funky, appreciate you, brother. You motivated me to do that. Go ahead and do it and get it done out of the way. So yeah, we got one of those coming. Got a coil coming. We're gonna go ahead and put a little better coil on the car. What else? And we got some heat wrap coming for this vacuum line. A couple of videos ago, you guys heard me mention about rerouting some vacuum lines. So I rerouted this one. This one's going down here to our blow-off valve wastegate. See, guys, this is crazy, man. It's been so long since I've been out here. But yeah, I got a wrap coming for that. Just been out here tinkering with the car. Painted the lettering over there. I painted the lettering on the On 3 with those 5-point Sharpies that I bought a few months ago. These right here. I wanted the white to be able to do the vents in the car, which I actually did those too. We'll take a look at those real quick. There's probably all kinds of spiders inside this thing. It's crazy. But as you see right there, painted those. That's the only reason why I bought those Sharpies. So I got those painted up. Still need to get the radio on the car. Look at the spider webs. See, that's crazy. So yeah, guys, as you see, it's been a while since I've been out here on the car. But it's time to get back on it. It's cooling off. Got a little bit of free time. I got some free time coming up. And it's time to get busy on the car. I did fire it up. Oh, as you see, I put a battery in it also. I did that a couple weeks ago. Got the battery tender on it. I got the hot wire off of it right now. But yeah, I did fire it up. Got the timing semi-set by, I reached out to Cleaver BMF. Make sure you go by and check out his YouTube channel also, guys, excuse me. Reached out to him, you know, a year or so ago, and he told me then that kind of what to set my timing on, so that's what I did. But yeah, guys, get some work done on the car. That's the main goal right now. I did fire it up. It ran. It's running a little rich sitting there idling. I want to be able to get this thing down and get this thing washed. I mean, it's crazy how dirty this thing is. You can see it right there on the front glass. But yeah, enough of talking. Let's get to work. All right, got me some snippers. Go ahead and cut this thing. It's going to be a pain in the butt, to be honest with you. So tight because everything's all in the way now. Just snip them off and just find your wire. So that right there will be an orange. That'll be the black. And that right there is the brown. I know it's hard to see on this thing, but yeah, that's our colors. So let me get these wires stripped and get ready to put some heat on this thing and not burn the car down. All right, it's installed using all the hardware he provided. Let everything cool down. I just used the heat gun. If you guys don't have a heat gun, or you can use whatever connectors you want to do, I just need to tape it up after I get done with the video here. And there you go. EGR delete is in. A little bit of a pain in the butt for me, actually trying to get those connectors on and all, and getting everything together. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's done. Make sure you go by and check Foxed Up on YouTube. Go by his website, order you one of those things. And like I said, look at there, you get 3 horsepower that comes with it. Instructions, straightforward, easy to go by. I just use the heat gun. As he said in the instructions, just use the heat gun. Heat those up, shrunk them down, good to go. But yeah, parts come in, I'll get back on the car. I got a free Saturday coming up soon and a free Sunday after that coming up soon. So I hope to get out here and be able to get some work done on the car, start to cool off like I said. And I got parts coming in and I got some free time. So thanks for hanging out with me. Drop me a comment down below. Good to see you all. Give this video a thumbs up, thumbs down. I don't care, whatever you want to do. Don't matter to me. But till then, see you in the next one, guys.